this is Nicole, and Nicole, hello.
Hi.
Nicole just assisted us with our Food Bliss workshop this evening, and she is. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Nicole is munching on a Norilicious cracker. I'm gonna zoom in there with some cilantro pesto. And what do you think about that?
It is amazing. There's so much flavor. It's incredible. I don't know how there's so much flavor in this little thing.
Awesome. So, and you watched how we made it. Was it surprising to you how easy it seemed?
Pretty much just blend up some stuff for the pesto, and that's it.
Yeah.
Pretty basic.
Awesome.
Good.
And you'd make it again at home. I'm kind of answering your questions for you. But.
No, you're not. I would. I look forward to making more of this stuff at home. It's exciting to have new fresh recipes and be able to try them before you make it. That's definitely rare for raw vegan food.
Awesome. Thank you so much.